Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Right, you have this 3D printer filament. Boxes of damage on the side here. Your specs 1.75 millimeters, 1 kg spool, and same thing. This one is a solid white. Suggested print temp 195 to 220C. Right, here it is, sealed up. Not printing in right now, so I'm not going to open it. So yeah, if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.